Hello, welcome to my Sunday front. Today we have several packages and I just want, so I have this first one. Let's see what's in it. Well, it's jewelry. And it says accessories. I think it's accessories. Oh, that's a good brand. So it comes with a little bracelet, a necklace, and the earrings. They're like rhinestones. Let's see what's in here. So, this looks like it's just soda and just Diet Coke. I got it for like $4. It's a big one. It's nice to have. There's some makeup. Some mineral, what does it say? Metro Glowing mineral bronzer. It's kind of a light color. I have a 3-pack of lip liners, I think they're matte lipsticks, it says there. And this is brow and lash mascara in the color clear. It sounds silly, but it's clear. And so I'm kind of going for a more simple look now. If you haven't noticed, I stopped wearing makeup, so when I do wear makeup I want to do a more simpler look and try to put myself together for maybe lower, you know, like a lower cost. And also, of course, you know, I want to save my face and not mess with my skin so much. So I kind of like, I'm leaning more towards not having, you know, high pigmented product. So I want to try these out. Of course, pine saw, and this is a pack of cutlery. I always get these. And what's this? Let's see what this is. Oops, sticky. Feels like a surprise. Oh, this is, I bought this to clean the restroom. Is that silly? I bought this to scrub the tub. Ooh, this is like really, this is like heavy duty. But it's supposed to clean, it's supposed to clean tiles off a pool. It was like really inexpensive, and I was like, man, I can't find a scrubber. Let me just get pool supply. It was kind of big. Well, I know it would work. So I bought this this soap. It says black seed soap, and I heard that black seed, which is like cumin seed, a black cumin seed, it's a different than the kind that we eat normally. That this one takes away like edema, you know, like swelling and bloating from the skin. I guess what you guys here called cellulite. cellulitis, like when your skin swells up, edema. I thought I'd give it a try, you know. And of course, my aloe vera hand soap. I love this stuff. It smells so good. I want to see what this one smells like. So, also, I got a pack of ramen. And this kind is actually chicken picante. It says hot and spicy picante. And I got a whole pack because like usually these are like 15 bucks, but this pack was like half. So I don't know, they have sales on different ones all the time. So when I saw it was low priced, I was like, oh my gosh, I kept an eye on it, and lucky for me, I nabbed one. This little one, it literally weighs nothing. Oh, and it's just this air freshener, and you hook it onto your vent for where your AC or your furnace is blowing. See, and you peel off that white part, and it releases a scent into your whole entire house. I love these things. They're usually around $5 in the stores, so I kind of find them affordable, even though they're not like, you know, they're like maybe they're less than $8 usually, depending what kind you want. This is floral bouquet, so I can't wait to try this. I'm using one right now that's kind of similar to this smell, but this one sounds so nice for the spring, so it'll be a nice change. I can't wait to try it. This one I found on sale, so I quickly got it. It was like 3 for, I don't remember how much, but it was a really good deal for having 3. So it was like a pack, and it was probably around $5. At the time, the price went up now, but orange pineapple, that's lots of vitamin C. It says right there too, vitamin C and B. Can't go wrong with that. I love V8 Splash. It also has, I think it has vegetables in there. Yeah, it says vegetable juice. So this is really good, I guess. It's like a good morning drink, so hopefully 50 calories per serving, 5% juice. Yeah, it sounds good. So excited to try it too. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon on my Son Different. Bye bye.